Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu don hold in regular monthly prayer session with staffs, friends and family. The prayer session held on Tuesday, October 3, 2023 for the office of the Deputy Governor for number 7 Osadebe Avenue, GRA, Benin City.
Apply for your children, and we thank you for this special office where they will continue to function.
Blessing you does not shake at all because you are always with us. You are Emmanuel, you are with us. Lord, you are the body bearer. Lord, as they come to you full of trust this morning, Lord, carry their sorrows away.
Amen. The second family of the Deputy Governor normally they thank God for the past month and still commit the new month into the hand of God, sake of saying a tradition of the number 2 citizen since he assumed office as the Deputy Governor of the state. Reverend fathers from different parish within the Benin Archdiocese they on ground to offer the month's prayers.
Special way, Lord, having dedicated the building and blessed, we join our faith with all the priests here and all the men and women of goodwill at your son. Amen.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From the office of the Deputy Governor, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.